afternoon, good morning, whatever time it is for you. I am Mrs. Sparks, and this is Reading with Donkeys, and this is our baby Posey, and she is about 3 months old, and she is a very fluffy little donkey, and she's got beautiful long ears and for listening, and she's got beautiful eyes for watching. She's just a smart little girl. So today we're going to be reading Grumpy Monkey, Valentine Gross Out by Suzanne Lang, illustrated by Max Lang. Grumpy Monkey. Look on the back. He does look pretty grumpy, doesn't he? Sometimes Miss Posey gets a little bit grumpy when she's hungry. Me too. All right, boys and girls, let's get started with our Grumpy Monkey story. And Miss Posey, she may wander off. We'll see. Oh, I love that green. The little picture at the beginning. Grumpy Monkey, Valentine Gross Out by Suzanne Lang, illustrated by Mark Lang. Want to see it? Want to see the picture? Miss Posey's checking out the book. You're a sweetheart, Posey. All right, let's find out about Grumpy Monkey. Why is he so grumpy? Chimpanzee was enjoying a nap in the sun when a voice awakened him. "Jim, do you like my flower?" tweeted Oxpecker. "My boyfriend gave it to me because we're in love." Aww. We're in love. There's Grumpy Monkey laying there taking a nap. "Love," said Jim. "Gross." Gross. "Don't be jealous. Also, my boyfriend is making me a romantic dinner for Valentine's Day," tweeted Oxpecker. Who's Oxpecker? What is that? Posey's checking it out. "Valentine's Day? What's that?" asked Jim. "It's a day for love," replied Oxpecker. "Full of hearts and sweets and flowers and romance. It's the loveliest, doviest, most wonderfulest holiday." Oh, she's loving Valentine's Day, isn't she? I don't know about Grumpy Monkey. What do you think? "Yuck," said Jim. "It sounds more like the grossest holiday." Jim went to find his neighbor Norman. "I bet Norman thinks Valentine's Day is as gross as I do," thought Jim. Gross, gross, gross. But when he got to Norman's branch, his neighbor was busy. "I'm making some love cards," said Norman. "Catch you later." Jim couldn't believe it. Even Norman liked Valentine's Day. "Norman, are you thinking?" Everywhere Jim went, there were couples being gross. Couples exchanging cards. Look what they made their cards out of. It looks like leaves. Couples gazing into each other's eyes. Ew, snakes gazing into each other's eyes. Gross. Couples giggling for no reason. You know what those guys are? Laughing hyenas. And they're giggling. Couples slow dancing. Turtles slow dancing? Oh my goodness, that's silly. I didn't even know turtles could dance. I know giraffes can dance. Cuddling couples. Look at the cuddling. Aw. Snuggling couples. Wow. I didn't know they snuggled. Finally, Jim couldn't, oops, one more, sorry. And worst of all, kissing couples. Oh my goodness, smoochy smooch. What do you think Jim's gonna say to all of that? I bet you already know, don't you? Finally, Jim couldn't take it anymore. Ew, Valentine's Day is the grossest holiday. It's true. All the kissing is pretty gross, said Norman, but Valentine's Day isn't just about couples. A couple means two people or two animals. A couple basically means two. The airplane going over. We get lots of airplanes out here. Skip the page. Let's see what's behind this page. There are lots of kinds of love, said Norman, like the love you have for your parents. And the love parents feel for their children, said Jim's mom. Aw. Maybe now Jim will understand. Love is okay. And the love you feel for your friends, said Norman. Valentine's Day is about showing the people you love that you love them, said Jim's dad. And they definitely love Jim, don't they? Ooh, pretty. I like this. Jim's arms were full of things that made him feel loved. It was a nice feeling that he wanted to share. Oh, that's kind. And so he made Valentines for all his friends and family. Now he's getting into it too, isn't he? That's wonderful. Maybe Valentine's Day isn't so gross after all, he thought. Oh, look at everybody being happy and sharing his cards. He's got look at his card in his mouth. That's funny. Gross! What were those birds doing? They were kissing, and he does not like kissing. But he still liked Valentine's Day, didn't he? Grumpy monkey. Valentine gross out. So he did learn that Valentine's Day is not just for couples, but for any friends and family that you love and care about. I hope you enjoyed our story about Grumpy Monkey by Suzanne. Have a wonderful day, and it's Mrs. Parks with Reading with Donkeys.